Yeah, there it is. I see it. Where are you going? Left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me a fox on pool.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, dangerous, you beautiful bitch.
I don't know where that asshole's going. I haven't had.
That army is taunting him.
That's awkward.
Pick up the bomb bag, pick up the bomb bag, pick up the bomb bag, pick up the bomb bag.
What was
Thank
that?
you.
Say it one more time.
Should all be ranged in.
Remember when this fight used to be hard?
Yeah.
I mean, we've only really gained, what, like, 10 item levels?
In there too.
Actually,
200 eye levels.
that is nice.
Remember when Julie doesn't use cooldowns?
Remember when Joey shouldn't really have to use cooldowns there? Because like, he doesn't have anything extra hitting him there.
To be fair.
Guarantees like DPS.
Of course. I was actually feeling
That's funny.
We need 2 more left on that.
on the left.
Blowing up bomb by myself.
Probably just one of the eyebrow. And then operated well.
Oh, shit.
Just don't stand in front of it.
Remember when we used to do that all the time?
Pretty cool. At least there's no false bar. Got to move good.
What's bro?
Yeah, just go run that ball now.
Good vanish though.
Hero.
Come on, land card, please.
Try. Can we kill him? Like, he's a fucking slow shit.
It was slow earlier too with false bar. That's because nobody knew what was going on.
I just flag up over here.
And then,
Let's see, yeah, let's do this one.
I'm on my mark, so
Wait, what? There's a 1 up.
That's a normal.
Yeah, you just get this guy down to like 50% or 40%.
It's actually 10.
I'm assuming you have to kill him after you get it, right?
Let's kill them all at the same time.
But I mean, you have
Like,
to kill
it's
the
like
boss, right?
Yeah. Alright, get the other ones within 9 seconds.
Fuck your Starbucks.
What do you mean?
Please get away from evil ones.
Please interrupt the fucking game. So you just randomly throw a fucking silver.
It's silence.
I'll take it.
Huh? You can pick it.
What?
I don't know.
It's not like I'm not gonna kill it or something.
It's getting close.
Move the next one that's at the back here. Just cleave off the fucking douchebag burners. Callers. Whatever.
3, 2, 1.
Man, I'm glad we're killing 2 slag elementals.
Yellow?
Yellow.
That's my dots. Before you marked it.
Beware.
Now run all the way across the map. The other one.
Fuck him. Great strategy.
Kill the fire color.
This was like one of the first and I've had no fucking clue what
Well, I'm gonna beat the 4. Running
Dude, last time, all you had to do was stand still and you kept running with me, so we ran like...
That's not my shot.
Well, it was like
Fucking boxing shots, man.
don't laugh that you're a fucking Nazi.
Some tries to kill the skull.
Dangerous move.
Kill fire color.
Kill the skull.
Okay, double. Go off and...
At least we saved much for that.
We did.
Yeah, reverse on the top. That's good. Fake, no.
Oh, reject.
Yeah, well, you gotta creep that out. Like that.
Are you like some kind of English major or something?
I'm starting to get, but it's okay.
I got it. Don't worry.
No, our stacks.
With your 2 stacks.
Creative writing major, maybe.
Another.
What?
Guys, not for me.
Can't tell what's wrong.
Funny, you barely need because black actually. No, what happened? I know, but you said. Oh, I beat you, guys!
Shit, how come those males just read the other words?
Dude, what?